Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to delete history in Google Chrome and Windows 10. So how to delete history in Google Chrome and Windows 10? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Chrome application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial display of Google Chrome. Here it is on the initial display of the Google Chrome application. To delete history in Google Chrome, just point the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Then a scrolling menu will appear. And select the History menu. Well, here the History menu will appear. Tap Delete Browsing Data. Well, this menu will appear. In the Time Range section, select the time period to be deleted. And in Section 3, check according to the data you want to delete. If you want to delete everything, check all three. After finishing, tap Delete Data. And the data will be automatically deleted. To see it, I will return to History. Well, here it is already visible that the data from history is no longer there, which means it has been deleted. So that's it, the tutorial how to delete history in Google Chrome and Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.